So today we're going to be doing some sawing on the 100-year-old sawmill. We've had it for a little while and it's made by E. Davis from the Atlas Foundry in Shrewsbury, and it's 30 feet long, the saw bench, with a metal bed, and it's got just over a 4-foot blade which has got insertable teeth which you can sharpen with a file, and also get a special tool and hook that piece out to change the tips. And so we've got obviously the rest of the bed's got all the iron rollers which turn as the bed goes across. And next, we fitted a 4-speed gearbox off of a machine in here with gears. So you've got all your gears on there. If you're going to saw a massive piece of oak, you can put it in first gear because it takes an awful lot of power to chew through it. We've got our little backwards and forwards on a motor, which makes it a bit safer than winding it by hand, but we haven't destroyed nothing, so if we ever wanted to put it back as it was, just take it off and put the handle back on. And then if we come around the other side, there's a lovely slug there. We made a sort of log loading bay to make it easier for ourselves, so we can load the logs on. And also, it isn't steam power anymore. It's been converted to PTO drive. So it was sort of half done when I had it, but we just sort of finished it off so we could tighten the belts up a bit better. And obviously it goes through there on some pillar block bearings through the PTO to the tractor, and got a power major which powers it. So should we do some sawing? Yeah. This is the shortest end, so we want a 7-inch. Let's go perhaps that way a tad. See how we get on. Right, I'll turn the tractor on. our two sides. So we've got like a half square log now, and we want a 7-inch beam. So we're going to measure from the blade. Obviously we're at 13 in a minute, so we're going to push this in a little bit. That, 9. We're just going to go about there, should be plenty. That's it. So all we've got to do now is just line this up with that. So we'll just move our bed along a little bit. Heave this over. Like that. Ready for sawing. I'll go and turn it on. One lovely beam, look at that. Didn't take us too long, did it? Right, so we've cut our beam out of our tree and we've got these bits left. Now, you know, it's a pretty lovely looking thing down there. It's got some lovely, I know this is a bit of sapwood, but we've made little, you know, panels and stuff with that. It's all rustic and they look great. So we're not going to waste it and chop up the firewood. We're going to cut this to pretty much 1-inch board down there. So to do that, what we've got to do is set our fence to 1 inch. So we undo this. It's an absolute massive great thing. So I might have to go around the other side. So we can slip this, which, yep, she's got a little bit of sawdust in there. There, we can get that out of there. Right, there we go. That's it. Woo! That might be a little close. So we just get our little tape measure. We go with just over an inch, which will be fine. That's it. And then once we've got the tractor running, we'll just line our piece of wood up like that. And we'll have to hold it with a stick because it'll want to sort of vibrate a little bit. But it'll go through no problems, and then you'll end up with an inch board. So after all that, we've got our beams under here. We've got our two nice beams, and we've got the offcuts, which is an absolute pretty big old bit of wood that is. So, you know, instead of sawing up for firewood, we'll make use of them. So until another time, we'll do some more sawing.